Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have SounPeats Mini Pro Bluetooth wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. Now you might want to do this hard reset for a variety of reasons. If the earbuds will not connect to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, if they're not syncing properly, if they're not working, if sound is only coming out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset is a good troubleshooting step to fix a lot of these issues, and it's very easy to do. All we need to do is put our earbuds in the earbud case like this with the case open as shown. And what you can do is go ahead on your device and go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off and have them forget these earbuds. Once we've done that, we can come in and press and hold the back button on both earbuds simultaneously for 10 seconds. After about 10 seconds, the earbuds will both flash red and white. Once that's happened, then we can go ahead, close the case, open the case up, and take the earbuds out and repair them as a new device.